Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review the other flavor of the bird dog I got. Finally got the honey barbecue bird dog because I did the other two last time. It was $12.99 for two of these plus the French fries. I don't know. And it's like that's all on there. You got a honey barbecue sauce.
Honey boo boo sauce.
Yeah, honey barbecue sauce, and they got green onion. And got cheese on it. Some other stuff. Like $12.99 for two of them. Try it out. Very messy. Try this one. That's really good. That's why you give you the wet naps, because some of them would be really messy. French fries are okay at about 8 out of 10. The bird dogs, even the honey barbecue ones are fantastic. That one's gone.
Oh, sure. I bet you blame the dog, too, when you fart. You son of a bitch.
These are good. I'll give you that was a 9 out of 10. For the honey barbecue bird dogs, good stuff. So until next, everybody, please take care of my Legion. Awesome.